2015 has been a very good year for Amadeus. We have been able to continue growing in all our businesses. We have made some acquisitions to really accelerate our growth, and we have been continuing investing internally in additional products and functionalities to prepare the future growth of the company. The results of distribution have been very strong, but even the underlying growth of the GDS industry has been positive. So distribution has been here for a long time. It's a good business. There are many channels available today for the airlines to distribute their content. The travel agencies is one of them. I am convinced that this will continue for many years, but of course things evolve and things have changed. So despite all the noise about distribution that have been here for many years, we continue delivering and we continue growing in this business. Airline IT has had another very good year of very strong growth, thanks to the underlying growth of our existing customers, the fact that we have been able to migrate additional customers into our platform, and also that we are able to be upselling to the current customers or to customers of other competitors some of our functionalities. This will be extremely important for our future, and of course the Navitaire acquisition will strengthen our position in this segment. We know the complexity of creating new businesses. It is always a challenge for any company. I am very pleased about the evolution of all of them. Some of them are more mature or are getting faster traction. In some others we are still investing in the products that will provide us a position in the market. But it is extremely important to invest in new areas to keep the growth of Amadeus. I'm very happy with the way the acquisitions are evolving. I don't regret any of them, which is always a big plus, because when you acquire a company there is always a risk in terms of integration, understanding of the business, the underlying performance of the company you are acquiring, because despite all the due diligence, you don't know the details of the company. Acquisitions are very important for our future. They should be very close to the strategy that we have defined, but it will be a way to really accelerate our goals and our strategy.
Year 2015, Amadeus revenues have grown 14.5%, which is a very good increase over the previous year. And this is due both to our businesses growing, IT solutions and distribution, because of the growth of the volumes, but also because we have a positive impact on the pricing, and we have continued to increase our competitive positioning in the distribution business. We have also migrated new airlines onto their platform. We have been able to upsell. And also we have the tailwind of our M&A activity that we have well integrated throughout the year. And of course, Forex has also helped in improving our revenues. Our new businesses are also positively contributing to the growth, both in the distribution and the IT solution businesses, with airport IT and payments growing quite strongly, but also BI and the hotel and rail distribution contributing positively. Our margins have deteriorated a bit during 2015, but this is basically because of the Forex impact. If we were to exclude the Forex impact, EBITDA margin would have increased in year 2015 compared to 2014, and this is because our fastest growing business, IT solutions, has a higher contribution margin, so we can expect this to continue in the future. We convert a large part of our EBITDA into cash, and that has allowed to deleverage throughout the year 2015, despite the fact that we have increased quite strongly our dividend payment, that we have done M&A, and that we continue to invest through CapEx into our several businesses and several contribution lines. So we have still deleverage. We are on a pro forma of 1.5 if we were to include the Navitaire acquisition that at year end has not been completed. So this gives us a lot of strength if there's additional activity that we want to carry on in the next years.
I'm very confident about 2016. Of course, we need to see what is going on with the geopolitical environment, because as we know, traffic depends a lot on the economy and the situation of the world. But based on the investments that we have done, based on the strength of our people and the fact that we aim to continue increasing our competitive position in the market and generate new revenues from our new businesses, I am convinced 2016 is going to be a good year for us.